There has been so much talk on the internet recently when it comes to digital marketing, particularly with this phenomenon of MRR and PLR programs. As someone who's curious to understand what the buzz is all about, as well as someone whose channel is centered around helping creators create more money online, naturally I had to invest into a program as the guinea pig here to give you a full review and understanding of how you could be potentially making additional income from home. In this video, I'll cover what is MRR, the difference between MRR and PLR, how do you make money with MRR, is it legal, and the back-end walkthrough of the course I invested in with my honest thoughts. So let's get into it. Firstly, let's talk about what is MRR. So Master Reseller Rights, or more commonly known as MRR, is basically a type of license that grants people the ability to not only sell a specific course or digital product, but it grants the ability to sell the same product. Now, as new as this concept may seem in today's digital marketing landscape, this isn't a new idea at all. In fact, it's far from it, but the way it's being used in the digital marketing industry right now is huge. So when it comes to MRR products, you typically purchase a product for a set foundational price by the person who created it, and you only buy it once with no upsells. What you buy is basically what you get. What makes MRR so appealing to many people is that with the MRR, you can choose to resell and make your money back, making 100% profits with each sale, although this isn't essential to have to resell the product if this isn't your goal. Now, what is great is that this digital marketing business model isn't dependent upon working for someone else. It's tailored around giving you the information and tools that you need to create your own business and reach your own goals, not someone else's. The difference between MRR and PLR. So both MRR and PLR products are pre-made products that you can resell. However, they slightly differ with their terms of how you can resell them. With MRR, you typically cannot change things like the course curriculum or add additional information as you wish, and you cannot sell it for lower than what you have agreed to. However, you can rebrand the product so it is branded to your brand's colors. PLR, on the other hand, known as private label rights, are pre-made content that can be purchased and customized for both personal or commercial use. Now, these products can include articles, videos, graphics, courses, templates, printables, audios, and planners. These products are popular because they can save time and provide a cost-effective way to create content. Now, with PLR, buyers can modify the content, rebrand it, sell the content as their own, and typically can price it for however much they wish. So the biggest question is, how do you make money with MRR? There are typically two ways which you can do this. So you can simply purchase a digital product or course with MRR rights, rebrand it with your own branding, and sell it to your audience for 100% profit, and it grants the buyer to also be able to sell it once they've purchased it. Now, this is one of the quickest ways to get into digital marketing. On the other hand, you can learn all the information that you need from the course or program that you purchased and apply that knowledge into your own original course, guide, or program and sell an original product as well. This makes the most sense if you're within a niche that has nothing to do with the program that you bought online. Now, oftentimes people just don't have the time or the resources to create their own product from the jump, because on average, it does take about 3 months to create your own product. Therefore, reselling a course that helps spread knowledge and skill sets isn't a bad way to go if done honestly and ethically. It might sound too good to be true, but Master Reseller Rights is not illegal, but there are some factors to be mindful of. So the first one being that MRR products must comply with the FTC guidelines to protect consumers from unfair or deceptive business practices. So this includes ensuring that marketing claims are truthful. MRR can target vulnerable groups that promises easy money, which can lead to financial loss. And lastly, the value of a course can diminish once it's resold multiple times, which can lead to market saturation. The quality of the content may also degrade as it's passed along. However, I am a firm believer that foundational concepts don't really change over time. Therefore, the information that you receive within programs like these are a great base to start. Having all this knowledge and understanding of what the world of Master Reseller Rights looks like, I wanted to share with you my thoughts on the program which I invested in called Digital Boss Academy, also known as DBA. This is a beginner-friendly program to help you build a digital business or brand, and it's great for people like stay-at-home moms looking for more streams of income, but the people who want more time to live more freely, and everyone in between. The creators of DBA wanted to create a course that was so affordable so that more people could finally learn the skills required to make money online and create financial abundance for themselves. On top of that, it's really beginner-friendly, so someone with little to no marketing skills can learn from this course and get out there and confidently promote their new business. What's awesome about this program is there are currently over 16,000 members that you can get help from, ask questions in the community tab, or share your wins, and it's super easily accessible through an app on your phone or the school website on your phone browser. Now, I personally believe why a lot of us procrastinate on our dreams is because we're missing the community aspect in our businesses, and having like-minded people within distance is always a great motivator. Currently, there are 2 volumes, 1 and 2, and volume 3 is set to be released in November of 2024, which includes extensive trainings. I really like how they make it super easy for you to resell it, as they have a lot of video and trainings and templates that you can copy and paste. The program shows you exactly how you can resell via platforms like System.io, Beacons, and Stan. Now, since I love Stan and am a Stan ambassador, I'll give you a brief walkthrough of how you can do that in just a moment. But just a quick shout out, if you haven't tried out Stan yet, you can via the link in my description below, and I'll give you 2 weeks for free to try the platform. But before I give you a quick tutorial on the resell, let's just go back into the classroom to show how much value this program provides. So there's quite a lot of trainings on branding, because if you don't want to resell and just create an amazing brand for yourself, this module will really help. There's other modules on digital marketing that covers things like content strategy, batching content, where to post, and there's lessons on how to grow on social media, showing you other creators who are doing a great job of that. There's also lessons on hooks and hook ideas, which is super important to understand when creating marketing content. And no matter what platform you use, you want to understand the foundations of SEO to help you get your content out to the right people. Now, the content vault is jam-packed with over 40,000 faceless videos for you to make creating faceless content super easy and attainable. There's also a PLR vault that is included, where you'll find over 50 PLR products that you can repackage and sell. And you can sell them as individual products or as bundles as well. So even if you don't want to resell the program, you can make great income reselling the PLR products instead. Another great module is the content inspiration section, especially if you're new to content creation. They've linked other accounts to get inspiration from so that you can learn to create your own. You can learn to do automations on Instagram, how to start an Airbnb business, and so much more. Now in volume 2, you'll find more trainings like how to set up a Shopify, how to use Pinterest, how to do faceless marketing, how to do UGC, and the list goes on. Now, as you can see, there's so many trainings and modules, and while there is a lot, I do highly recommend that you just pick what you're most interested in and start from there and start implementing. So if you're interested in joining DBA, I'll leave a link in the description below for you. But for now, I'll show you how to set up your DBA in your Stan store. So a Stan store is typically $29 for the creator plan, which is really all you need to get started. But if you use the link in the description, you'll get it 2 weeks for free. And I highly recommend that you don't start the trial until you're ready to start selling and have content ready to post. So once you're all set up, you'll want to set up your profile by adding a photo, a bio, and social link. Now to add DBA to your store, you'll click My Store, Add Product. You'll be able to see how your product looks on the right hand side, and the call out button usually works best to get the most attention. So the first thing you need to do is get the DBA logo, which you can find in the school community in the Setup Your Online Store module. Then you can customize the DBA logo. You will click Download Editable Logo, and it will take you to the Canva design. So you can delete all this extra information, then you can make it bigger and change it to your brand colors by going to Duotone. You can add extra text if you wish and download the thumbnail as a PNG file. So you go to Share, Download, and PNG. Then you'll go back to Stan Store, choose Image, and drop in your logo. Next, you'll add the title and the subtitle, and then after that, you'll get a header image by creating a new design that's 1920 by 1080 and copy and paste that logo that you just created in Canva to fit into that design. Then you'll upload that image. Next, for the body text, you have 2 options with DBA. You can copy one of the templates and simply paste directly into Stan, or you can make it look nicer and use photos for your description text. So I'll show you how to set this one up like this in your Stan store. To get the photo, you go to the Stan store lesson and scroll to the description template link. You'll also want to change any grammatical errors as well as some text that is in white so that you can actually make it visible when you download it. Then you'll download the photo as a PNG file, and then you'll delete all the information that's pre-inserted in Stan. You'll change the button to Get DBA Now, and the pricing for the volume 2 needs to be resold at a minimum of $222. The next thing you need to do is upload the instruction file to allow customers to have access to the DBA community. So you'll go back to DBA and go to Give Customers Access to DBA via email or PDF and copy this. So this gives them the link to the school community and tells them that they have to submit the receipt to be accepted. In Canva, you can create a US letter size document and paste in that text. You just need to edit it a little bit and bold the most important text within the email, and make sure you add your email here as well. You can spruce it up with the logo at the top as well as hyperlink the school link. Then you'll just download this as a PDF. After that, you want to go to the options and come down to the confirmation email, and this is the email your customers will get from you. I like to keep the beginning part and delete just the rest, and you'll want to format it to make it more legible. So once you've done all of that, then you're ready to hit publish and start marketing. All in all, Master Reseller Rights programs are a great option for those looking to increase their skills in the digital marketing world, as well as their content creation. For a reseller, it's definitely a great way to get started and gaining confidence and the understanding of what it takes to sell products online, while also considering creating your own products in the future for more sustainability. Again, if you are interested in DBA, I've left the link in the description below, and if you did find this video insightful or useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with a creator or friend with whom you think this could really help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.